Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2016 Chevrolet Spark LT. The Spark is our compact vehicle. Making sure these are still tight because I don't want the plate to fly off like it did that one time. $16,600 is the original window sticker. That is pretty impressive. Fitted with the 1.4 liter 4-cylinder. Made it to a CVT automatic. Even for its size, sitting behind myself, very good amount of room back here. Headroom's pretty decent. Not too bad at all. Worst case scenario, you can just have the driver move up a little bit. Definitely makes the most of its space, that is for sure. Yeah, because where I'm sitting, I have tons of legroom. I could scoot up a little bit more if need be. Really, really nice vehicle. Reversing camera, of course. Oh, that's pretty ingenious. You have a little business card holder integrated into the vanity mirror. But without further ado, let's take this thing out on the road. What's nice about this being such a short wheelbase is it turns it into like a little go-kart. Even though you're not putting down a ton of power, it's a small little car. Makes it nice and nimble. Really, really fun to drive too. These seats are pretty comfortable too. I could do a long trip in this. Nice and stable on the highway. Not bad. Brake pedals, very, very nice, progressive, not touchy at all. What's nice about this CVT is when I was driving it here, I couldn't really tell if it was a CVT or a normal automatic. It does a great job at mimicking a typical torque converter automatic. You do have a low mode. Which keeps the engine RPMs up in order to increase braking, or engine braking I should say. This is a very, very fun car to drive. And the size is awesome. This is a perfect car for Boston, New York City. Now, I could easily see this being, you know, a little city runaround car. I do really like the white accents throughout. It really sets the cabin apart from the competitors. Competitors of this car is like the Honda Fit, Nissan Versa, cars like that. I do think it's a little bit smaller. I think the Sonic was more the size of the Fit. That's actually the car I'm driving next. What's nice is even though this car is quite small, when you're driving it, you don't feel microscopic. You don't feel like that Sierra is gonna take me off the road, even though it probably could. It's very tough for a little car to do that, and to feel as open and as airy as this does. Visibility's phenomenal. I have no complaints at all. Onto the suspension test. Not bad. But yeah, the handling of this car is really good. Short little car. Inputs are great. Wow. That's awesome. That's really good. Not expecting it to be nearly as nimble as this. But that's just due to the shorter wheelbase nature of this vehicle. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.